and red. B is for banana, I eat it before bed. C is for cherry, so tiny and sweet. D is for date, a desert treat. E is for elderberry, purple and small. F is for fig, growing on a wall. G is for grapes, green or blue. H is for honeydew, fresh and new. I is for Indian fig, spiky and bold. J is for jackfruit, heavy to hold. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and brown. L is for lemon, yellow like a crown. M is for mango, so soft and gold. N is for nectarine, tasty when cold. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for papaya, a tropical delight. Q is for quince, sour and rare. R is for raspberry, full of flair. S is for strawberry, red and fun. T is for tangerine, peeled in the sun. U is for ugly fruit, bumpy and cool. V is for velvet apple, a sweet little jewel. W is for watermelon, juicy and wide. X is for exigua, a name from worldwide. Y is for yellow plum, sweet and bright. Z is for zucchini, yes, it's a fruit, all right. Hey! From A to Z we've learned today. Fruits are fun in every way.